Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, The Beaded Jewel. I'm Rochelle, and today's video is the third in a series of the Russian spirals. And again, I'm just reiterating that I'm doing this because I get a lot of emails, messages on my colorways and placements of the colors. So these are the colors I'm going to be using in today's tutorial down here. I'm going to get them out of the way because if I don't, my camera will pick up. I didn't realize this was in focus. My camera will focus on the background and not what I'm actually doing. And so I'm going to be using the 4mm Bicones, silver lined 11/0. Everything I used in the last two videos, the same. And my Wildfire 20mm thread, because the Bicones don't cut this thread for me. I've never had an issue with that using this. Okay, so my last two videos, you can check them out. I showed you how to do the colorways for here. Okay, and then I also have another video that shows you how to put on the clasp, because we're not going to be doing it here. I'm not going to do a whole video. I'm just going to do a couple rounds to show you the color placement of, well, this. So this one is only 3 colors through the whole bracelet, as you can see. Blue, green, the peach. This is so pretty. I mean, sorry, it's out of frame. So pretty. So there's only 3 colors on here. And so you can, like, what I like to do is like to, you know, maybe pick out a blouse or something and check out the colors in there and then see what colors I have and go, you know, make one of these. Or you can use, you know, beads that you have sitting in a stash that you don't use, and, you know. So these are 3 colors, and the colors are lined up like this, and, you know, you just go one to another. That's all this is. So you can see here I have a green, then I use the blue and the peach, and that's 1 round. Okay, so show you how I do that. Let's go ahead and get started with this. Okay. Oh God, I'm gonna pick that up. I have, as I said, these out of the way. So we're going to pick up 3 11/0. 1 bicone, 3 11/0. Bicone, 3 11/0, and a bicone. And this is the first round in, whoops, the Russian spiral. And it's the first time you'll do this. It's the only time you'll do this is the first round. Okay. So we're going to push that all the way down here. And turn it like so. Now you can go ahead and knot it if you want here, if you want to tie this into a knot. I'm just going to go back through all of these because that's easier for me. Seems like this takes forever. Okay, and then I'm going to go through that 1 C bead right there. So this is what we have. Okay, so our thread's coming out of here. I want to work to the right, so I'm just going to flip that over like that, because I want to work, you know, to the right. Okay, so next, that's our first round. So in our next round, you're going to pick them up in the same order. So I'm going to pick up my red and 3 11/0. Okay, this is what you'll be picking up the entire length of the bracelet until you're finished it, just like this. 1 4mm, 1 3/0. Okay. and you're always going to be going through the 11/0 after the next 4 mil bicone. So here's the bicone, there's your 11 mil. Okay, so that's how that looks. I'm gonna pull it through and just push that to the top. The first couple rounds are, you know how that goes. Alright, we're gonna pick up a green, 3 11/0s. That's what we're picking up. And we're gonna go into the 11/0 after the next bicone there. One stitch all the way around, super easy. After the first couple rounds. First couple rounds are always rough because you got to hold it together. We're gonna pick up an orange, 3 C beads right there. Okay, so we're gonna be going into the C bead right here. Come on. Let's see here. This is our original C bead. It's slippery, come on. Sometimes it just doesn't want to work. Pull that through there. Alright, just push it up. Come on. There you go. So we got our first 2 rounds here. 3 colors per round. Okay. That's our top. We're coming out of here. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go straight up this next bicone. We got to step up through the bicone and the first 11/0. Okay? That's what we're doing. And that's what we're doing. Let's make this. Okay? So I'm going to do it one more time. Here's where I line it up. Okay. One bicone, 3 11/0s, and we're going to go right into the C bead after the next bicone, right there. Okay. Here we go again. Come on. And there we go. Okay. And then you just keep going with this. I'm going to do one more round. Oops, come on. Coming out of here, going into the C bead after the next bicone. Okay. So you can see that starting to form. And you step up. And you just keep going with that. Okay? There it is there. And it works itself out where it starts to line. It'll start to line everything up for you here. And that's it. That's how you make this bracelet here. Okay, so check out the other videos. It shows you how to do each of these. Okay, and if you are new here, please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up if you like these videos. And leave your comments below if you have any questions. I'm always glad to help and answer your questions. If you have any anything else, you can visit my stores if you want here, right here. We are on the beadedjewelstore.com. We're on Poshmark. We're on Etsy. I don't have eBay here and I don't have Mercari here, but we're also on there too. And you can get kits. I got kits available. Well, I think they have like 14 different colors, 12 or 14 different colors in them. So there's kits available. There's already made bracelets available. And that's it. That's all I can think of. So happy beading. I hope you try these. Let me know how you like it. You really can't mess it up. So, and that's it. I have a clasp tutorial. Shows you how to make a clasp also. And no, I think that's really it. So take care, everybody. Happy beading. Have fun. And I'll see you in our next video. Bye-bye.